Hello.
Hello?
Hi, is this Miss Smithick?
Yes?
Great, this is John. I'm calling in behalf of How are you doing today?
Just fine.
Wonderful. We are contacting you to let you know that a new program has been launched and approved by the state of Florida. So we simply want to give you some more information about this program. As you know, these days funerals are averaging $8,000, $12,000, which is really high and people cannot afford this. So we just want to set a callback time with one of our senior associates who can give you a call within the next few days. What do you prefer? Mornings are good, afternoons, or evening?
Morning. Late
Morning, all right. Late morning, okay. Now he'll tell you, he'll give you some more information about new low-cost life insurance plan, which will cover funeral expenses as well. So may I ask, how old are you right now?
54.
54, okay.
Mm-hmm.
And all right. And your first name is Sally, and last name is Smithick, right?
Yes.
All right.
Yep. And
you're residing at 50 Island Drive, Land O'Lakes,
yes.
Florida 34639. And the telephone number I have with me is 813-995, right?
Correct.
Now,
Correct.
one thing
yes.
I'd like to ask you more. Okay, just give me a second. All right. Now, okay. Now you said mornings are good. Now,
yes.
okay. Now, by the way, this burial insurance be just for you or your spouse as well?
Just me.
All right, just you. Okay. We have a local, person who will actually, he lives in your community, and they're absolute experts on senior life insurance. Okay. So he'll give you the details. Our local agent will be calling you back to get this taken care of within the next few days. Okay. So you would be interested in receiving more information about this program, right? New low-cost life insurance plan, correct?
Yes.
All right, perfect. I appreciate the time. Just remember the name of that person is, and then Tomio, T as in Tom, okay, and Tomio. All right? Appreciate the time. Thank you. Have a nice day.
You're welcome. You too.